Okay, my friend told me that apparently this game, Blox Fruits but very good, can give you free dragon fruit. And it's literally an exact copy, apparently, okay? I hear this all the time. Bro. Ain't no way. Oh my god, I have combat. Bro, it's literally the same thing. Oh my god, where are my pants, bro? But, whoa! What? Okay, like, this is a little strange. Let's see. Yeah, so there's dummies here. If I kill one, does it do anything? Yeah, no. It barely does anything. You know what? Yo, what do my friends mean by free, though? What? It costs 99 Robux? Nah, I ain't buying that. Just dragon, huh? Okay. So maybe they meant, like, 99 Robux for dragon forever? Oh, what was he thinking? God. Okay, what's next? So the chests give you XP. Great. Okay, yeah. This game is actually pretty cool, but, like, bro, where's the free dragon? I thought there was free dragon just there, bro. Okay, more chests. Okay, so, now I have money. I have to get to level 50 to roll a fruit, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, bro, look at this animation. It's the same game. Whoa. Yo, this game's actually pretty good. Yo, whoa. Oh my god, what? Oh shit. Bro, there's bridges to everywhere too. Yo, look at this map. Wait, what's those NPCs over there? Hold on, I'm gonna go check them out. Then I'm gonna go to jungle and roll fruit. You know what? Yeah. No, I'm gonna get this chest. Bro, okay. What are these NPCs? Yo, this is the starter place. Ain't no way. What's this? Collect the money. Okay. Alright, okay. Yeah, so this is the gacha. Nah, it's the oldest, bro. Really? Alright, bye. Yo, I got dragon! Wait. Bro, it's literally Blox Fruits. Ain't no way. I think it's confirmed that you get a dragon because, you know. Like, I think that's what my friend meant. And, like, there's only dragon for perm, so. Just eat this. 2? Okay. Bro, it's the same. Bro, they copied it so good. Oh my god, I think it goes a little farther, but this is amazing. Now you never have to buy dragon again. Bro, they're gonna get in a lawsuit. This is cool, bro. Oh my god. I didn't even kill no one. So you just get mastery and just grind forever and you get all the abilities? That's so cool. So, bro, you get free dragon from this. Ah, this is cool. Bro, I ain't never seen anything like it. Like, look at this M1. It's so fast. And then charge that up. Oh my god. Okay, now stats. Yeah. Alright, good. Bro. I just got Western Dragon. This is so cool. Nah, this game better update and give me Kitsune too. Or gas. Something. Bro, my eyes though. Can't believe this is real. You know what? I kind of want to go to Jungle Island. So I'm going to quickly just go there. Okay, so you might have noticed I leveled up because I took some chests on the way. Now, jungle time. Alright. Currently at 35 mastery. Let me check the NPCs. I want to fight the monkeys. Or whatever those dummies are. Okay, so they aren't here. What's at the gacha place? Yeah, wait, oh my god, there's a gacha place. What if it gives me another fruit? Ain't no way. Wait, what? Hold on. Okay. Bro, what is that? Wait, that is not the gacha, bro. Okay. Well, we'll come back to that soon. But anyway, okay, so the big dummy's there. Okay, great. Hello to the gorilla. Let me go see what this can do. Okay. No, bro. Why is this so slow? This is tanky, bro. This is so tanky. What? Is this how Gorilla King feels like when you start the game? Nah, bro. Okay. Bro, I'm just gonna be spamming this. Nah, no one wanna see this? Nah, I'm skipping this. Alright, that thing is almost done, but bro, that thing took so long. So maybe when you guys play this, don't do this. If you do play this, at least. Maybe just don't do it on this NPC. Oh yeah, also, since I don't know if Dragon's confirmed, make sure you comment if it is, if you want to play it. But personally, I think this game is really cool. So, yeah. Okay, none of that, more comment. Please comment, whatever. Like begging or whatever that shit is. Okay, buddy. Really? No. Bro, I wanted to get full master on Dragon to show that. I just spent like 10 minutes doing that. No way. Oh my god, this whole game is depression. Oh my god. I mean, I guess it's fair. I mean, you gave me free Dragon. I guess you can make me play more to master it up. But still, you know. Okay, let's see this NPC. What is it? Yo, what? It's the instinct teacher and it's like that random ass bacon? Okay. Well, I mean, that's cool, I guess. Yeah, not like I just spent like the past 10 minutes doing all this shit. But, yeah. Okay. Let's get back there. Man, I love this game. Let me get these chests, bro. Look at how much XP I'm about to get. Oh my god. Okay. Love this, bro. Love this. This is really a fun game, bro. Okay. Yo, yeah, I'm gonna PvP this kid. Let's see if I win or lose. Bro, this is like real bounty hunting. You know when the person doesn't want to PvP, but like they still die? Yo. Ain't no way. Yo, let's see if this kid, bro. Okay, so I can't fight him. Can I fight him? Yeah, I can fight him. Not this level 10 guy. Okay. This is actually quite fun. Bro, I even after I got scammed by that giant monkey boss, still, I don't care, bro. This is just, it's free Dragon. Alright. Let's make a deal, alright? Give me the 50 likes. I will get your information on this. Let's see what happens. I mean, I hope there's another video so you could also see this anyway. But still, please, please, please. Get me 50 likes. Because I just showed you the best game ever. Come on, come on. You get to use Dragon for free. You get all of this. Come on. Consider it. Anyway, guess this will be the end of Pantsless Brasility, playing with Dragon. You know? Okay, I'll see you in the next one, probably. Let's see. This will probably be in 2027, next video. Because I'm taking definitely forever. Yeah. Bye!